Good morning, good afternoon, good day, and welcome back, dear saxophonist, to howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew, and you are a rock star. And because you are a rock star, you probably want to know how to play the note C. Letter C, C for Charlie. C is the cookie, and that is good enough for me. The note C on our saxophones. So how do we do that? You need one finger and one finger only, and it is your middle finger, not your pointer, your middle finger. So we're only doing middle finger here, just the middle finger. Now, just as a little caveat, there are 3 C's on our saxophone. This is the middle one. One finger and one finger only. It sounds like this. That is middle C on your alto sax. Now, the high C, very easy, just add the register key. So we've still got middle fingering, it's exactly the same, low C, high C, but we add the register key. So here we go. It sounds like this. That is our high C. Our middle C, take off the register key, take off the thumb, still keep your middle finger on the key. Middle C. Now, our third C on our saxophone. Our third C has a few more fingers. So we need 1, 2, 3 on our left hand. We need 1, 2, 3 on our right hand. And with our right pinky, this bottom key just here. Not the top one, the bottom one. So again, our low C, 3 fingers, 3 main keys on our left, 3 fingers on our right, plus the bottom one with our pinky. And it sounds like this. Now, just a little quick tip. If you're finding the low note kind of wobbles and doesn't work properly, here is a virtual bowling ball. Put the virtual bowling ball in your mouth, but do not swallow the bowling ball. Just use it to virtually and pretend to expand your throat so there's more air. Don't close your throat. Expand your throat, open your throat. That will help with the low notes. So just again, a quick recap. 3 C's we have got. Low C, 1, 2, 3, fingers on our left hand. 1, 2, 3, fingers on our right hand, plus the bottom pinky. Low C. We have a middle C, which is just the middle finger on our left hand. Middle finger on our left hand, sounds like a C, looks like a C, smells like a C. This is what it actually sounds like. And the final C, we keep our middle finger, but we add in the thumb at the back on the left hand. High C. And that is how you play the letter C on your saxophone. Thank you for playing your saxophone. Please keep playing your saxophone. My name is Matthew. Thank you for visiting howtoplaythesax.com, and I will see you in another lesson. Thank you. I'll see you later.